Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, you all have seen it by the title, but I'm still going to say it. I'm excited. Okay, it's super challenging tutorial that we're about to do today. I'm not going to call it a tutorial. Okay, I'll say it's a challenge. Also, I am collaborating with Bella_Gracias. Please check out our channel and see how our own look turned out, and please subscribe to her. Thank you. Also, I'm going to be doing random makeup order challenge, and I'll be picking my makeup from the jar. Okay, so this is where I wrote all the makeup products that I already put them in front of me. I don't know what look we're going to end up doing, but it's a challenge, and if you want to go on this fun ride with me, please do keep on watching. And before we continue, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, we're gonna jump right into this video. I'm gonna be picking from this. Okay, I'm so excited, and I want to say this before I move on. You know, this is not a tutorial, this is a challenge, so I'm gonna be fast forwarding, okay, most of the application. But what I'm gonna make sure I let you guys know is the first whatever I pick from this jar. Okay, it's a challenge, it's not a tutorial, so we're gonna see what look I'm gonna end up having. But whatever I pick, I will mention it, then I'll fast forward the process so as not to prolong this video. You all get my point, right? All right, guys, let's move on. Yes, I'm rocking my natural hair today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake. I'm gonna go ahead and shake. Then going. This is the first one I pick. I will open it up and see what we have in here. The first thing, whatever I pick, eyeliner. Oh my goodness, eyeliner. So what I have right here, it's eyeliner by Estee Lauder, is blue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it into my inner eye ring. That is done. I'll put that aside. Foundation. So I'm applying foundation without primer. Oh my goodness, foundation. So I'll go ahead and pick my foundation and apply it. The foundation I use is by MAC. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it, then we move on. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it, then we'll move on. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. Highlighter. Okay, highlighter on foundation. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be using this highlighter by NARS. I'm just lucky, right? I picked highlighter, but just go ahead. I'll go ahead and blend it, and I'm gonna be back. Face primer. Face primer on top of foundation and highlighter. Oh my god. So I'm gonna be using this highlighter by Too Faced Hangover. Oh my god, this is becoming, oh yeah, I don't know where to start from, I swear. I'll go ahead and blend it. In fact, let me just blend this on the camera so you guys will see. Oh my goodness. Lip pencil. So I'm gonna be using this lip pencil. It's by Ultra Easy, as in random purchase in the beauty store. It's purple. It's setting powder. Yay! So I'm gonna be using this setting powder by Black Opal. Their deluxe finishing powder. Eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using this palette by Juvia's Place. You know it's not a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna go off the camera and come up with something, but let me just use a transition color first. And of course I like to go in with this Zulu. So if I let me do one of my eye on the camera. So still on eyeshadow, you know, I've used the one from Juvia's Place. I want to try this elf in this is one of the one I featured in one of my live stream that I said I'm going to try to use it on the camera for you guys to see. So I chose this time to use this, you know, to give it a try. So it's a liquid eyeshadow by elf, and it's gold. It's molten liquid eyeshadow. That's what it's written there. So I'm going to apply this on my lid right here. I just wanted you guys to see the pigment. It's $1, okay? And I'm going to do the same to the other eye, and I'll be back. Then we'll continue picking from the jar. So you're going to excuse me, I have to dust the under of my eye because my skin gets super dry over there when I set my powder too long. Contour, yay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use powder contour. I'm not using cream. That's gonna be multiple steps for me. I have to set it if I use the cream. So I'm being smart. I'm gonna use this by Black Radiance. So I'm gonna be using this shade, of course, right here to contour. We're almost done. I think we're down to like 5. Eyeshadow primer. Guys, eyeshadow primer on top of eyeshadow already. This is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna be using this Deep Dark Prep and Prime eyeshadow primer by MAC. Oh my god, you all don't want to know how my heartbeat is going like now. It's crazy. I already applied eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna be smart about this. Yes. So I have it in the tip of this brush. Let me pick my mirror and just dab it on top. Lipstick. So I'm going to be using this lipstick by Black Opal. Yes, it's by Black Opal. It's called Very Wicked. That's what is written at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't ever get this right to show you guys. I don't know why, but anyway, this is what the shade look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on my lip. You have 2 more to go, guys. Eyelashes. So I'm gonna be using my own brand of lashes today. I have other lashes from other my amazing and beautiful, talented, gorgeous YouTubers that I do promote on my channel. Sometimes, yes, there is nothing wrong in promoting other people's products, even though you have yours, because we rise by lifting each other. That's my belief. but today I'm going to be using one from mine, and this is the only style I have, and this is the only style I intend to finish selling before I move on to something else that God has a plan for me. Alright guys, now that we've popped in the 4 lashes, let's move on. We have just 2 more, so go ahead and pick. I wonder what this will be. Eyebrows. So I'll be using this brow gel. This is also one of my purchase from Dollar Tree. It's a LA Color Brow Cream Gel. That's what I'll be using to do my brows. So in order not to prolong this video, guys, this is not a tutorial, remember. I'm going to go off the camera and do it, but I already showed you the product I'll be using. It's just $1, okay? So this is how my brows are looking so far. I've not done any cleaning, so I decided to do the cleaning on the camera, so you know, for you guys to see. Turn that side down. So I'll go ahead and do the other brow, then we'll pick the last one. I think I'm just lucky, like everything I've been picking are just kind of falling in place. You all can tell I've not blended the contour, but I'm gonna do that after this. Right, then we wrap it up. All right guys, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da brows, ta-da, ta-da brows, ta-da, $1 brows, $1 brows. I'm just having fun. Like, this challenge is fun for me, all right? So there's nothing to move around, but whatever. Let's pick the last one. I know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be setting spray because I haven't picked any setting spray. Setting spray to you all. Setting spray. You see how amazing God is. Like, I put, yes, Sabina, come for me in the comment section. Oh, whoever they want to come for me, I put God in everything. Everything I put God. Yes. See how God is coming through for me, guys. Setting spray, which is supposed to be the last thing when we do our makeup, right? And that's the last thing I picked. It was not planned. It just happened. Oh wow. Let me go ahead and set my face with Stay Matte Fix and Go by Rimmel. Alright guys, then I'll go ahead and blend and we wrap up this game, okay?
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby.
So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for hanging in there, for watching this video with me. Thank you, because you all can see that I really enjoyed doing this particular challenge. All right guys, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.